Go. What? What?
Dozer. Hi, buddy. Dozer.
Hey guys, we're back. Okay, so I just snuck the GoPro. I literally just snuck the GoPro. Okay, it's crazy. Look at this tree. So hopefully my sister doesn't see. Come on. Okay, here's the Ash. Hi. Well, we're the Richardson family. Alright, stop. I just got hit with that stick, Asher. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna have to see you guys later. Peace. We're in the woods. I'm gonna show you guys some cool things. I've never had a GoPro in my hands. It's actually pretty cool. Hi. Say hi, guys. Hi. Hi. We are going to show you guys our secret hideout. Come on, you guys, let's show them our secret hideout. I don't fall with this. You guys, I did it. I did it. Now let's record them do it. Oh, Basher. I'm about to go show you a sunken Amish wheel. We think it's a sunken Amish wheel. We can show Dad the video so we can prove it. Yeah. Because my dad does not believe it. He doesn't. So we can prove it. Yeah, Dad. We can prove it to you. All right, ready, set, reveal. That's it right there. Comment down below if you guys know what this is.
Yes, comment, because we have no idea what this is.
And it's like just sunken down, and I don't know, like,
I don't know what it's for.
Like, what in the world is this?
Look at this big burrow.
Oh yeah, me and Asher thought that was, I'll zoom in. Yes, you can. Right there. I love the outdoors, but when we're at home, it's boring sometimes. But we like to do, see right there. It's literally right there. Have you guys seen the video where I stepped in poop on the dock? That was actually kind of funny. See? Right here. Right here. Okay, you guys, do you remember how we showed you that wheel? Guess what we literally just found 2 seconds right when I turned off the camera. Look. Look what we found. Oh, the railroad trail.
It feels so weird. It feels like I'm tipping. I know. Asher, don't.
Asher's my eye scraped up.
No. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that crazy, Asher?
Yes.
It feels like you're literally tipping.
Landon, let me hold the camera.
All right.
Let me show you what it feels.
It seriously looks, it feels like you're tipping. feels like you're tipping when you go there. There's Dozer. There's Anna, there's Ashley. There's Ashley. But it feels like you're tipping because it's already like this.
Did you get scared?
Yeah, Dad, you scared me so hard. Okay, you guys, so we're going in an hour and a half. We are going to
a knot thing.
It's for kids that you get to learn about how to tie
different knots
and stuff like that.
Because I don't know how to tie a knot.
So it teaches you how to tie knots in many different ways, and it's like a life lesson. So like it helps you with a lot of things. Like if you need help, oh, there's a mumblebee. Oh, it went away.
A mumblebee?
A bumblebee.
You said a mumblebee.
I saw its stinger, and it was yellow and black.
We're going to take it under and through. Like a square knot.
I did it. It's confusing.
The way you can tell you have a square knot. This lovely bit that it's always loose when you push in, but when you pull, it will never break. The rope will break before this will break. Does that make sense?
I made a knot like this. Hello.
That works. That works out fine. How'd you do that? What did you do?
I don't know.
I love it though. That's super fun. This was a very old invention.
No, my way.
Your way? It honestly, it probably is. Do you know how many different kinds of knots there are?
I only know.
People all over the world have been doing all kinds of knots for as long as we've had rope, and we've had rope for a very long time. You got it.
Did it?
You got the square knot. Congratulations.
You got it.
Yeah.
Loop under.
You see how...
Now put it like this. You want to hold on to both of these.
There you go. You got it, Serena.
Take your left hand.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, now grab these two.
You can give yourself more.
Right, I got it.
Got it?
Oh, dang it, I didn't do that. I got it on my wrist.
There you go. Perfect. You guys have just fulfilled a cow. Congratulations.
It's missing. Wait.
One.
That's one way to do it, I guess. Grab it. There you go.
And go. What? What? How can I not do it, but you can?
So easy.
Do it.
I can't reach up there. That's why I'm doing it.
What?
It's so easy.
My dad is a genius. What? What? Oh, that's so easy. I can do that. Record me, Dad.
Record me, Dad.
Please.
Oh, you did it now.
I mean,
Ride to the ride.
no, take part in it. Put it on your